DualS is a very important Chrome extension, especially you are teaching on Google Live and sharing the screen from another Chrome tab. So how to use DualS and all, you can check it out in my another video. Otherwise, see here, you can go to Chrome extension web store and search for DualS and just click on it and add it. Grid View is another very important Chrome extension for Google Meet. In Google Meet, there is a limit for seeing the number of participants. But adding this extension, you can see all the participants at once. So there are a couple of grid views available in the Chrome Web Store. I actually installed both of them. There are three, but I will be using the two extensions available, adding them, and I'll be using them in the Google Meet. Auto Admit in Google Meet is another very handy extension, Chrome extension that is available in case you are conducting a meeting and there are several participants clicking on the meeting and you are getting a notification of admitting one by one. What this particular extension does is it will automatically admit all if you install it. Google Meet attendance. This is a very significant Chrome extension that is available for teachers, and installing this extension will provide a platform for us where we can include all the participants of the class, and the moment they log in, that particular data and their logout data can be exported as a spreadsheet. Couple of attendance extensions are available, but I'll be using this particular one, the second one that you see, attendance for Google Meet. Okay, this is the one that I'm using because this is much effective and very easy and very effective as well. This is a breakout room extension that is available through Chrome Web Store. Adding this particular extension will give a platform for us in the Google Meet to break the participants into different rooms, and just like how the breakout rooms available in Zoom interface, we have the same privilege here as well through this extension. Meeting Notes for Google Calendar is another handy extension that is available. If you are very particular in taking notes in different meetings of the official meetings of the organization, and in that case, for example, you are in a Google Meet and during the meeting is happening and you wanted to take notes with related to particular meeting that is planned for the future, okay, and that you wanted to put that note in the calendar, so you can do that in Google Meet itself directly by choosing the particular date and time, and that would insert that particular note directly into the calendar. Mote Voice Notes is very significant and effective extension that is available in Chrome Web Store, especially if you're a teacher teaching from the Google Classroom and you have materials posted and you wanted to give voice notes over there, comments over there through audio. This is a very effective extension available for teachers. I have more videos on how to use these Chrome extensions effectively in my channel. So therefore, please do search for them. And if you think this content is helpful for you and you're looking for similar content, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.